What we do here is go back.
Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you my latest custom TfL proposed route, the 478, which will go from Oxford Circus to Canary Wharf. Before we start the first video on this channel, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now, that's all from me. Here's what the announcements on my route would look like. Stay tuned for the end to see things like the garage of the route, the operator and its frequency. Now, let's begin.
478 to Canary Wharf, Holles Street, Great Titchfield Street, Oxford Circus Station, New Oxford Street, Tottenham Court Road Station.
Pause. Sorry to disturb. Just a quick one from me. During editing I realized some of the stops didn't have audio, so sorry about that. Never mind, stops with no audio will be marked clearly on the screen. Continuing with the video, unpause.
Brownlow Street, Chancery Lane Station, Holborn Circus, Fetter Lane, Holborn Circus, Charterhouse Street, Fleet Street, City Thameslink, Mansion House Station, Cannon Street Station, Monument Station, Great Tower Street, Tower Hill, Tower Gateway, Free Trade Wharf, Cable Street, Limehouse Station, Burdett Road, Limehouse Police Station, Westferry, West India Avenue, Canary Wharf Station, Canada Square North. This bus terminates here. Please take all your belongings with you.
And that's a wrap. In terms of the allocation, it would be using Enviro 400 hybrids, Enviro 400 MMC vehicles from Stagecoach's Leighton T Bus Garage, once 56 and 257, and others get new electrics later this year. And that's it for the first video on my channel. Let me know what you think of the proposal in the comments section down below. I'd be more than happy on hearing your thoughts on what would make the route better. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. It's absolutely free and would mean a lot to me. Until next time.